Yo, what up everybody? Welcome back to the Trike build. Today, oh yeah, I got a new handheld thing. So normally when I move it around, it's really noisy. So I'm hoping it's not hoping it's not as loud when I move it around. What we got today is I'm gonna work on the motor. So I got my air filter adapter, exhaust, pre-filter, got the front brakes. I'm gonna re-put back on there. I actually got the actual cable. See how I had to rig this one up to work. I got an aftermarket carb that I should be able to replace the jetting on. So that should work much better than the one that's on there. Unless I can actually replace the jet on it, then I'll keep it. But we'll see. I'm not sure. Probably gonna start off with the exhaust. I don't know what I'll get done in this video. If I get all of that done, the next thing honestly is gonna be to put the new chain on. And oh yeah, so this tire is holding air. This tire is not. It's flat. But last time, stock motor, stock everything, it did do 26 miles an hour. I don't know if I have video of that. If I do, I'll put it on screen. 26, can you see that? 26 miles an hour. Yeah, like I said, so 26 miles an hour. The goal is to see the difference between having this stock and then the next one's going to be aftermarket air filter, exhaust, stockish, and then I'm actually going to pull back the governor arm to where it is no governor, and we will see the speed that we can go on that. So yeah, that's the next part of this series. So I reviewed the footage of this new grip I have, and yeah, it's not any quieter, but you know what, I tightened some stuff up and I'm gonna try it again. Let's see what we got. I got the 420 racing chain on it. That's good to go. I got the 3-stage exhaust put on. I got the aftermarket air filter on. I was able to reuse the same carb because it is the Hemi, so I guess the jet can come out. So I took the jet out. What I did not know about this kit is it's actually from where did I get this kit from? I got the kit from BMI carts. So they have cheaper stuff, not cheaper like cheaper built, but like their prices are cheaper. Their shipping just sucks. But to put this carburetor on, it's just set up differently, so I had to figure that out. So what we have left to do is to fix the throttle cable, because obviously that's not a good spot for it to be, and the splice up there won't work, and we gotta fix the cutoff switch. And I possibly got this rim seated properly, because it was leaking in between here on the bead, but now it's holding there like a champ. So I'm going to mount the tires up, do the throttle, do the cutoff, and then we're going to take it for a ride and see what kind of speed we get out of it now. Alright guys, before we take it out for its second test, we have got to go over what has been done. So, got everything hooked up, on off switch, got the correct throttle, long enough throttle cable on there, went ahead and wrapped it to protect it, flipped the handlebars down so there's a little bit more room. I actually had to, I didn't notice this, but the rotation of the tire was on backwards, so I actually had to flip that around. Did my best to grease these. I need some Zerk fittings. Go ahead and get some new Zerk fittings. Hey puppy, what you doing there, puppers? Got the exhaust put on. carb on. Put my little zip tie at the back of it to kind of keep it up. This lens is kind of dirty. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's much better. Got the zip tie on there to hold that up and out of the way. Got that wired up to cut it off. Air filter pod, crankcase filter, and I just use chainsaw. Look it up on Amazon, chainsaw filters, and you'll get it. Pre-filters on. Tires are actually holding air. I deflated them and reinflated them, and I guess they seated. Yeah. We're gonna take it for a rip. It's gonna be loud. You can already tell because I already fired it up a time or two. And then we're gonna not take out the governor, but basically disengage the governor to where it'll stop it. So we were at 26 miles an hour before. Let's see where we're at with the mods that we've done now. The only real engine mod upgrades have been air filter, jet, and exhaust. So let's see how many more miles per hour that gets us. Definitely not wanting to turn at all. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, we did not get a good top speed run. I don't even know where my phone's at. Yeah, my phone said 3 miles an hour, which is obviously not correct. So I went ahead and did the throttle delete. Got that good. Just pull the spring back to here. It's got good pull back. And I put the spinny boys on because steering was horrible. And as you can see, just pulling it out, I'm already making lines. So, get you guys mounted back on the bike, and then hopefully speed run again, and see how steerable it is. Hopefully it's a lot better. All right, let's go for a ride. Alright guys, we just got done with everything. Yeah, the run without removing the governor, the speedometer didn't read, so that kind of sucks. But just now we went 32. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there you go, 32. So we went 32. It's got more in it, but the plastic, the drifting part of it, holds it back. Yeah, so let's look at it. I did install the front brake because slicks on the back. If I lock up the brake, these are just going to spin. So I went ahead and put front brake right there, and it works. It's good. So gas is still good, rear brake's still good, but them spinny boys, it's definitely a different machine. Sweet, sweet baby Jesus. Yeah, it's a different machine, guys. Well, I mean, that wraps it up. Went from 26 to 32 with the upgrades. I think it's got more than 32 in it, but it with the slicks on there, it is not it's not gonna get it. Now with the bike, I've got to extend those pegs because it is cramping me. Got to extend them out, probably 6 to 8 inches. So I'm gonna cut that and figure all that out, and then be breaking everything down, making sure all the welds are good, prime, paint. That'll be the next part of the series. So yeah, guys, guess we're gonna end this one. This is quickly becoming my favorite last project. I'm telling you, once you put those freaking slicks on there, oh, it's a completely different game. Completely different game. Alright guys, until I see you again, thanks for stopping by, thanks for watching. Go ahead and give me a like, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe, because you know, everybody wants to sit at home and make money. Help a boy out. See you guys later. Bye.